meron tayong kaibigan. So mabuti na lamang kung totoo yan. At ano bang implication? I think we will have a better political atmosphere. Pero I'm not confirming that indeed it happened because hindi ko alam talaga quite frankly. Okay? So, sabihin na natin, that would be a welcome development. Lalo-lalo na ngayong magkakamerong halalan, masyadong masalimuot ang political environment kung marami pa tayong pinagkakadepresyon sa kapwa. Not to mention that, sometimes I'm thinking that thing could have happened because of the spirit of Valentine. Why not?
Sir, follow-up question lang po. Kung totoo man ito, sir,
on the...
yes, kung totoo man po itong reconciliation na ito, is this a way also for President Arroyo to consolidate forces, considering that she and Mrs. De Venecia could be future colleagues in the House of Representatives?
As I said, it's better to have friends than enemies. So, you said, if indeed such a move of reconciliation is true, ay mabuti na meron ng wala naman siguro masyadong personal lalo sa politika. Nagkakameron ng diferensya. Yung kalaban mo last election, naging kasapi mo ngayon, ang kalaban mo kasapi mo last election. Ganyan yan. So, politika lang yan. But kung sakaling ang totoo, na meron siya ng pagkakaunawaan, siguro naman you must let's not impute any other negative things other than the fact it's better to have friends than enemies.
Sir, tama rin po sabihin na the President has forgiven and forgotten.
I'm not the President. I'm not in a position to tell you what is in the mind of the President. But, sabi ko, the President is a very good person. She is a very experienced leader, and I'm sure she knows the implication if she said that she knows that.